Today I've got another recipe which is eggplant and broad beans recipe made with coriander, and this is typically village recipe, and you are watching Jayasree Kadai Katha. Before we start this video, this is very amazing and loved by everyone in my family. And please like this video, and in the comment section please write Radhe Radhe, Jai Sri Ram or Jai Hind. And let us start the recipe with cutting of all the ingredients. Before that, I'm showing you some video of how we have to eat this with the rice. This goes very well with the plain rice, and you can see it looks so amazing. And not only look, when we are eating it, we eaten with a lot of rice. So I've taken broad beans, which is called seam in Bengali, and eggplant, small eggplant, which is in violet in color. And we'll do the cutting. We'll remove the string and we'll cut the beans into 1/2, or so. If it is small and little longer, if you then we'll cut it into 1/3, and we'll do the cutting of all the beans similarly, and we'll complete it. This is only time taking section, and because we are into healthy India, fit India movement, so we'll be telling you about more about vegetables and cold pressed oil. So I've already completed the broad beans or seam, which is winter vegetable. After this winter session, we'll not get these vegetables, and we'll do the cutting of all the eggplant in the similar manner and put it and check it for any pest in that, and remove if it is there, and cut it into small pieces and keep it water. And we have almost completed the cutting of the vegetables, and we'll put, because it is off season, little season is just gone, so we'll cook the seam or the broad bean in cookware, or that is cooker. We'll put 2 tablespoons of water, and we'll boil the broad beans for one single whistle, not more than that. Once this is done, we will remove the air naturally, and we'll remove the water in a colander or a strainer. And in the another kadai, I'll put the kadai for heating. Then when it is hot, I'll put oil. In the oil, we'll do the tempering for the vegetable with panchforon. You can hear the splattering of the panchforon, and one red chili, and I'll put one bay leaf also. I'll saute the eggplant for 7 to 8 minutes till its some color comes to the surfaces of the eggplant. Stir it, and this will be cooked with salt and turmeric, and stir. This way too, sometime you can cover and sometime you can open, and it has to be colored nicely on all surfaces of the eggplant. Now we'll add coriander powder, green chili paste, and ginger paste. Stir it for some more time. See how beautifully the eggplant is getting color in all its surfaces. We'll add the boiled broad beans, which is kept in a colander, so that all the water has come out, and we have added that boiled beans in this sabji or Indian curry. This is dry stir fried vegetable basically without any much water. So we'll be cooking this. I've added the turmeric and stir for some more time. The color is improving every step of its cooking procedure. 200 odd subscribers. Please add water to this. Then we'll do further cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add sugar before removing. Coriander leaves. Cumin powder and coriander leaves. Now we'll remove in a separate serving container, and we'll be eating this particular recipe with your freshly made steamed rice, which is very very hot, and this is also very very hot. We had another recipe for the lunch. This is very regular thing, so that is the reason we are not showing that recipe, which is dal. And this recipe was the last recipe of this season in Hyderabad, and we are going to go to Kolkata the 3rd March. See you in Kolkata, Madhyamgram, and recipe will come from that place to this channel. So Calcutta is into election mode. Let's see who comes to power. Bye bye for now. See you in next video.